In Milan, as in many other cities, the impact of COVID-19 had some environmental benefits. As thousands stayed home during the lockdown period, car traffic was reduced by about 75%, and air pollution decreased visibly.
Abbiamo analizzato I dati dell'inquinamento.
We analysed the pollution data. We had a sharp 2/3 decrease in the pollution of benzene and nitrogen oxides, which are pollutants produced mainly by cars.
The city's deputy mayor in charge of mobility adds that before the pandemic hit, over 1 million citizens traveled daily using the subway. But with social distancing likely for months to come, that figure is bound to decrease dramatically.
If those million citizens who can no longer travel using the subway all choose to come to Milan by car, it would mean that we'd suffocate from pollution. We must therefore think of ways of moving that is sustainable in terms of the virus, but also sustainable for traffic and the environment. This is the challenge.
These changes pushed the city to launch the Strade a parte plan, which translates as open roads.
The
project is based on a new cycle route design throughout most of the city. It is intended to be carried out with minimal signage that can be implemented quickly.
Instead of reconstructing pavements, roads will simply be widened for pedestrians and cyclists with a new strip of paint, making the process both time and cost-effective. The aim is to build 35 kilometers of cycle paths by the end of the year. A speed limit of 30 kilometers per hour has also been imposed for greater pedestrian safety. Officials believe the plan will revive Milan while also nurturing the environment.